The Oxplore Festival came about just after COVID, and we were discussing the impact of COVID and the lockdown restrictions and schools not being open on the journey of young people, particularly young people from disadvantaged backgrounds, and how the teaching and learning and the loss of it and what we would need to do to continue our trajectory of diversifying Oxford. We thought, why don't we get up and take it to those communities where we would like to see more engagement with Oxford and hopefully more strong applications to Oxford. And that's where the idea came from.
I think it's great that there is workshops where the children get to see things in a lot of detail, and also exhibition with loads of different stalls where they can see a range of different research areas that are happening within Oxford.
The whole point in the festival is for them to think higher and consider university, especially in year 7 and 8 where they might not be thinking about that yet.
And they get to see that maybe Oxford isn't inaccessible and we're nice people, and they get to maybe interact with subjects that they've not thought about. It's not something that we're taught in school at that age, and hopefully maybe they get some idea of what they might want to study, even though it's quite early to be thinking about that.
And this gives children a really good way to understand what we do in the university, and it's not just hard work, it's actually hard work plus fun.
We want them to really grasp that sense of the love for learning and not to be restricted by what they're being taught in school. And we want them to think about things in a broader sense and cross boundaries and borders and just push themselves to go and find out what they're curious about.
I think some really interesting questions are going to be considered by the students and things that they haven't considered in the school curriculum before.
It was quite fun because you get to learn about new things.
Yeah, I didn't realise there were so many black holes in the universe.
I learnt a couple new languages. I learned about the brain and that, which I found really cool. It was about how the brain works and how it makes you exhausted and stuff. I found that really interesting.
After attending the Oxplore Festival, I really would love students to have carry on with that buzz of learning and talking and discussing, whether it's about the robotic dog or whether it's about the earthquakes or about coding in languages. It would be great if that conversation continues.
Seeing that kind of moment where the kids go oh, I didn't know that, or oh wow, that's so cool. I think that fact that they wanted to continue what they were doing was the part that I enjoyed the most. It wasn't like they thought it was finished once they left the classroom.
University isn't really about just learning a curriculum, it's about exploring for yourself and finding your own answers to your own questions. I think Oxford gives students a good taste of that, and hopefully it also encourages them to think about uni and if it's an option for them, because if they enjoy something like this, then there's a good chance that they'll have a good time at university as well.
So here in the Southwest, we don't get many applications for undergraduate study, and I would love from all the schools that I've attended for little ideas to be suddenly bursting open about, yeah, Oxford's for us, we really want to apply. In the future, of course, because they're still quite young.
I would love to go to university, especially Oxford.
I'm from Penzance in Cornwall, so it's very close to my heart. It's just about giving back and giving back to the community that created me and that sent me to Oxford.
With some of the activities, the students who don't normally put their hands up, who don't normally put themselves forward in terms of their opinions, are doing that. And that's the first time teachers have seen them do that. So I think that's really exciting.
So any teacher or school that's thinking about sending their kids to the Oxplore Festival, I'd say absolutely do so, because we really tend to struggle with aspiration, and this is a day where they can come and aspire, see a student, look at the language they use, the way they present themselves and kind of how aspirational they've been, and kind of look to inspire themselves for the future and go on to college and university and kind of making a difference in their community or the rest of the world.
They've probably seen some things that they've never thought about before, and they'll go away and look into that a bit more, do their own research. They've been really enthusiastic about what they've been seeing, so hopefully they take that away and continue to think about that in the future and how they might kind of develop those skills going forward.
What's next for the Oxplore Festival is we're hoping to take it to Bradford next year, because Bradford is where we're working already with our Be Unique programme. And also it's the City of Culture, so we want to be part of that.